Get it! Oh, no. Get it, Comet! Get it, Comet!
No!
Yeah, oh, he gets it! Steal! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Oh, we have another adventure. We have another adventure ready to go. Yeah! Well, sorry, I get a little dramatic. But if you are a subscriber, welcome back to the next adventure. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And we have plenty of adventures for you guys to catch up on. And we have plenty of adventures coming your way. So thanks for being here. Let's get going. Look, there she is. There she is. Still haven't named her though. Definitely her. What should we name her? Make sure you leave some comments below. And for those of you who follow my channel, and for those of you who also follow Imagine Your Odyssey, shout out to Imagine Your Odyssey, who is also here today. So, if you haven't had a chance to check out their channel, make sure you go over there. I'm going to put the link in the description. And look at these views. Isn't that awesome? Views on views. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, once you go numb, you're good.
It's the elusive teenager. We're gonna catch him in his natural element. Oh, it's a feisty one, it is.
Pixie! Pixie, Pixie!
Cruz, ready? Set, catch!
King of the German Shepherd.
Get it, King.
Get a ball away.
Comet, I love you. Comet, say I love you. I got a stick instead. Did you like the weekend?
I did like my weekend. It was so much fun. Took them on a tour of the campus.
This is my niece.
Went tubing.
Yeah.
Did a lot of things. Missed my family, missed my puppies.
Yeah.
Had fun.
Had fun. Sweet. Well, we really appreciate it. Getting to see the campus was amazing.
It's beautiful.
Getting to spend the weekend with you was really cool.
It was.
Since we haven't seen you in like, well, I haven't seen you in like
2 months.
2 months.
2 months.
And now it's gonna be another 2 months.
I know.
That would be sad.
Well, no, you'll see me in October.
October. Right. Our birthdays are coming up.
Our birthdays are coming up.
It is.
I'll be big 19.
Oh my God. I'll be 35, 36. We're not gonna say what age I'm gonna be. Just leave you guys guessing. And so, what do you want to say?
Make sure you like and subscribe and have a great day.
Sadly, the weekend's over already. It really stinks when you're coming out just for the weekend, just because, you know, you get here Friday, you set up, you really have all day Saturday, and then, you know, Sunday rolls around if you're leaving on a Sunday, and, well, you spend most of the morning packing up, cleaning up, and then you're putting everything away, and then you're traveling. So most of Sunday is pretty much of a wash too, but I just had to sit down and get one. I just had to sit down and get one last vlog in, and so this place is beautiful. I love the background. I love the scenery. You can't beat this for the cost. I heard that this weekend was a little more crowded than normal just because of Virginia Tech parent weekend, and so it's a beautiful place. Definitely come check it out. Make sure you get some tubing in. Go check out the Virginia Tech campus because you're only 20 minutes away. Just looking around, I still can't. Like, I hate to leave. I want to stay here another week. But all good things come to an end, unfortunately. So. Oh, Luna giving hugs. You miss you, Amber. All right. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you really like the video, make sure you subscribe. And until the next strange adventure, keep making your own.